Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today we are getting down to the wire with our move. So we are going to continue disassembling beds. I'm going to clean out my kitchen. So we're going to bring all of my kitchen stuff out here. I'm going to go through it, and so if you are moving or need some motivation, stick around. Okay guys, so the plan for today is to go through the kitchen, keep out what we need to use and get everything else packed. We also need to go through and remove all of our smart light bulbs so we can take them with us and put the ones that were here back in. I'm also going to work with the girls to disassemble their bed and my bed because I am getting a new bed because the one I have now is like, it's dangerous. I keep catching my foot on it. It's not my style. It was an interim bed that we bought when we didn't know what size house we were gonna have. So I've done my penance with that. And so that is going to be sold, and I'm gonna get all the kids to give us a hand and we're gonna get packing. So let's do it.
You said, hey, as you stopped me just a second away from all the pain. You told me if I leave.
So one of the first jobs we wanted to get done was to remove all of our smart light globes from the light fixtures. So Caleb and Seth are getting that done first while all the girls bring me out everything from our kitchen. Guys, I'm sorry I never got to do a kitchen tour here, but I definitely will at the new house. But this is absolutely everything that's in my kitchen. The girls have just brought it out so that I can sort it into piles. So I've got a pile of stuff I'm getting rid of. I have a pile of stuff that we're going to still be using day to day. And then I also have stuff that is ready to be packed to go to the new house. So we are just getting cracking, and we're also cleaning everything as we pack so that when we get to the new house, everything is crisp and clean.
So you're in my heart. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave with the morning train. I could try to get over you, but I will never love again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Coming in to break it tonight.
I think that getting the kids to help packing is such a great idea because it helps them to prepare for the change that is coming, and especially for little ones, it's a tangible job that they can do so that they understand that all your things are actually coming with you, that you're all going to be together and move your things to your new home. And it's just a great exercise for kids to go through everything you own, pack it up and do it as a family.
We can dance in the summer rain. I know we can find it and keep it. We'll get back home again. Hey, we can build it all up again. We can leave it.
All right guys, we have made a big mess. We pulled everything out of the cupboards and I've got a whole big pile to donate. I've got a big box packed ready to go, and some other things that need some bigger boxes. So the girls and Hamish and I are going to go to Bunnings, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to Bunnings?
Bunnings.
They're, it's like our version of Lowe's, or it's a big giant hardware store. Anyway, we're going to go just get a little bit of paint. There's just some little bits that we need to touch up, and we are going to get some packing tape.
After we got home from Bunnings, the kids all wanted to get stuck into disassembling the bed in the girls' room. This was a great little job for them to do with Caleb. They were able to help out disassembling the bed, and it also gave us an opportunity to go through and tidy up their room a little bit. As you can see, the girls had their face painted while we were out, just in case you're wondering why. And so they're going to get started on pulling this apart, and then we're actually going to store this bed in our garage till we're ready to move. And any little jobs like this that you can get done before moving day make that day so much easier, because everything's already pulled apart. It's not a big deal for kids to sleep on a mattress on the floor for a little while, and it's one less job you have to do on that busy moving day.
Do I ever cross your mind? Baby, what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Whoa, need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. These memories haunting me. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should bring a feeling whole lot better. I keep asking why?
One little tip I have is that I always get a snap lock bag whenever we're going to disassemble a piece of furniture. That way all of the little pieces can go straight into a snap lock bag, and if possible you can even keep the correct Allen key with all of those screws or bolts, so that when it comes time to reassemble the bed you've got everything ready to go. You'll see a little bit later I actually attach the bag of screws to the side of the bed, so that when we get there everything will be together and we'll be able to assemble it straight away. So now I'm just to the point of basically tidying everything up, getting those last few bits and pieces packed straight into boxes, as many things as I can fit in a box. And I'm also going to go through all those items that I'm getting rid of and then I'm going to donate, and I'm just putting those into garbage bags, and I'll take them straight down to the car, because at the end of the week I am going to do a big load to drop all of that stuff off at our local donation center.
You and I, but summer's gotta end. Listen to that ocean breeze, feel it sand under our feet, but summer's gotta end. I can see that look in your eyes, trying to rewind, relive last night. And there's no good in saying goodbye, but I just can't lie to you. Now's the time to tell you that I ain't gonna hold you back. Let go and catch you in where it may grow. I will be the one first love that you still be thinking of. You gotta take the chance, so don't say no. You know where to go. You know where to go.
Now that all of the cupboards are empty, I am taking this opportunity to vacuum out all of the empty cupboards and wipe them down. This is just one less job that I'll have to do when I come back to clean. Our house was built in the 1960s, and this is the original kitchen to the house. So there are some places that have just had wear and tear from over the years, and so all I can do is my best to keep it clean and tidy because it has seen better days.
Really last night, and there's no good in saying goodbye, but I just can't lie to you. Now's the time to tell you that I ain't gonna hold you back. Let go and catch you in where it went wrong. I will be the one first love that you still be thinking of. You gotta take the chance, so don't say no. You know
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our community. Here are some other videos we think you might like. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you'd like more videos like that. And I will catch you guys in the next one.